Have you noticed that the sentiment score for data science is currently sitting at plus 0.46, despite a 24-hour momentum drop of minus 0.39? This divergence is unusual, especially considering the historical baseline, where sentiment typically aligns more closely with momentum. Our API provides you with a comprehensive analysis, returning sentiment scores, momentum changes, and semantic clusters. Right now, we're seeing 20 distinct clusters that can help you pinpoint emerging themes. Imagine leveraging this data to inform your product's development roadmap or marketing strategy, ensuring you're capitalizing on positive trends in sentiment while being cautious of the underlying momentum shifts. Check out how to integrate this into your workflow at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Your next insight is just an API call away.